Hello students, welcome to SAM classes. Today we'll be doing the ultra tricks for limits. Basically the ultra tricks is the ways to solve the limits question in less than 3 seconds. So let's see. The first one, the moment we see if I put x equal to 0 here, it will be 0 by 0. So whenever we have 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, always go with closing your eyes. One option, L'Hopital. What is the option? L'Hopital. That's it. Differentiated numerator. And what is L'Hopital? Differentiating numerator and denominator separately. Okay. You're differentiating numerator separately and denominator separately. You're not doing it together. Don't use u by v. A lot of places, a lot of students I have seen, they do u by v. No, it's separately numerator, separately denominator. So if I separately differentiate, one differentiation is 0, minus cos x, I'll get minus sin x. So minus minus cancel. So I'll get sin x by 2x. So I already know sin x by x is what, 1 and 2. So half is the answer. That's it. See, it took not more than 3 seconds. Okay. Now coming to the next question, y is equal to c. Now here, whenever the questions are like functions and all that, simply differentiate, Mari. Okay. So y is equal to what? F of x square plus 2. So what do you do? When you do y dash, what you'll get? F dash of x square plus 2. And this is basically chain rule. So that's why we wanted you to teach. So first you differentiate the function, then you go inside. When you differentiate x square plus 2, you'll get 2x. Now what you need? You need y dash of x equal to 1. So when I put x equal to 1, what I'll get? F dash of 1 plus 2, 3 into 2. So basically f dash 3 is already given 5, 5 into 2, 10, that's it. Now again, if you see this question, x e power x minus sin x by x, differentiate it directly because it is in the form of 0 by 0. The moment I differentiate, what I'll get? Simple, the moment I differentiate, or what you can do, divide whole thing, numerator, denominator by x. So you'll get e power x minus sin x by x by 1. So this limit is what? If I put the limit of this, come on, everybody, e power 0 is what? 1. And this one, sin x by x is also 1. So everybody, 0 in the chat section. Now here we have an ultra trick for this. Again, it is 0 by 0 form. You can go and use L'Hopital if somebody wants. We can do that, or we can go with the trick. The moment you have the formula 1 minus cos m theta by 1 minus cos n theta is nothing but m by n, limiting value m by n whole square, limiting value m by n whole square. Theta tends to 0. So directly it will be 4 by 6 whole square, that is 2 by 3 whole square, that is equal to 4 by 9. That's it. Now understand, limit mod x by x. So basically it is x by x when x is greater than 0, correct, positive, and it is minus x by x when x is less than 0. So you can see this is tending to 1, this is tending to minus 1. So limit doesn't exist. What happens? Limit doesn't exist. Again, if you see, again 0 by 0 form, don't go into any simplification or something, just differentiate. So differentiation of tan x is what? Secant square x. And differentiation of this is what? 1 by 2 root under of 2x plus 4 into 2, correct? So this gone. Now directly you put the value, secant square x 0 is 0, what is it? If I put x equal to 0, what I'll get? 1 here, okay? And 1 by this one will be, if I put, it will be 1 by 2, so 1 by 1 by 2 is equal to 2, that's it. So always go, whenever you have 0 by 0, almost 90% of the questions, in case it in the limit section, is like L'Hopital, you can solve it, okay? Nothing more than that. L'Hopital 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, you differentiate numerator separately, you differentiate denominator separately, okay? Now everybody see in this question, very simple. Okay, what is here is first this part. This part is basically the sum of all odd numbers. So x is equal to nothing but 1, 3, 5 up to 2n minus 1. And we already know sum of all odd numbers is nothing but n square. Okay, so if I do x square, I'll get n power 4. That's it. And this one, if I try to solve it, I'll get 1 cube, 2 cube, dot 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 up to n cube divided by x square can be written as n power 4. So that is equal to, if I know the cube formula, it is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So that is equal to n square, n plus 1 by 2, n plus 1 square, 4 into n power 4. So this gone, n square came, and try to take n square common. So 1 plus 1 by n square. So directly by n square, so cancel 4. So answer will be 1 by 4. That's it, okay?